Patkai Christian College laga Department of Multimedia and Mass Communication with collaboration with the Film Association of Nagaland takan itu ekta campus film festival itu manase under the theme learning through visuals. To abia mikan itu film festival to kinika jai se amian apnange dikhai do.
Okay, well, first of all, I'm the organizer of this film festival. So, this film festival, the expectation that I had was so very high, and the audience, the viewers were out of the expectation we had. So, during this festival, I've learned that visual through learning, it's one of a kind. Visual sikala do ekta alaga. So, I want to encourage everyone you to we have 2 more days to go, and I want you all to come and have fun, learn through visuals, as we have the theme going on, learning through visuals. So I'm very excited about it, and I've high expectation in more days to come. Thank you.
Aji laga film festival opore olop kotha koribo.
Okay, today's festival was organized by the Department of Multimedia Mass Communication, Patkai Christian College, and it has been really honor for us to have so many visitors from outside as well, and then the turnout was also quite impressive. But the real event is going to start at 5:30, that is the screening of the films. We are going to screen it at 5:30, and then it will go on till 8. So it's like free entry for everyone who wish to be part of the film festival. They are free to come and then be part of the festival. And yes, of course, this festival is completely organized by the students. We as a teacher, we are only to help them, guide them, and just kind of extend our support to them. But right from designing of the festival to go on to the post-production level, that is, inviting the people from outside, getting sponsors and all, everything was taken care by the students, and they have really worked hard. And in students, it's not just the 3rd year per se, but it's the 1st years and even the 2nd year. They have sort of helped the 3rd year. And though we call it a department project, I really must thank the college authority that to give us this opportunity to organize such a film festival. And then it's not just a departmental event, I would say, but it's a college event, and we intend to make it a calendar event, so it will be an annual event wherein we would give platform to all the youth, or you say filmmakers, young filmmakers who would want to screen their films and all, and looking for platforms. So we will be welcoming them to showcase their films like that.
Itu film festival laga main motive tu le to ki ase?
Okay, the main objective is for the students taking up mass communication to learn how to organize event, because event management is also one aspect of mass communication, and we have so many theories and so many theoretical papers and all. So this event it comes under the skill paper, where they have to organize events, and it's just not organize events, but they have to also look for potential sponsors to financially support the film. So it is like the event, I would say the objective of the event is to teach the other many aspects of mass communication, that is integrated marketing communication, that is your public relation, media convergence, so the student learn what is it about. And apart from that, one of the prime objective of the film is the festival is to give platform to all the Northeastern filmmakers who would want to screen their films. So when we started this project or the festival, the students were looking for films. So they found it very difficult whom to approach. And then during the process, the student came up to me and they told that there are so many filmmakers from Arunachal, from Shillong, Meghalaya, and then even Manipur as such, and they really want a platform to screen the films like that. So I think this is one of the prime objective for us as the Department of Mass Communication, to showcase the films and also give platform to the filmmakers.